and they want to export iron worth $400,000. When they go to customs to draw up documents, these deputies explain that the export of iron from Tajikistan is prohibited. Since these deputies do not allow Shahruk to export iron, Rustam fires them, and Shahruk is allowed to export iron. And now Shahruk, who, according to the expert, expects a good future from him, relying on two big mountains, Emamali Ramon and his son Rustum Emamali, has practically conquered the Ministry of Internal Affairs, especially the Minister of Internal Affairs. Ramazan Rahim Zoda, the Minister of Internal Affairs, turned into a puppet and a piece of furniture in front of ehem, Shahruk, without asking him and without receiving his consent, brought the employees of the SUR to the Dushanbe Department of Internal Affairs, thereby expelling his unwanted people from the city police. Sources say that Ramazan Rahim Zoda does not know what to do and does everything that Shahruk wants.